Hello everyone, this is Mark. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble reflect mirrors. The paper is the process how to remove the mirrors. And this the first mirror, the second mirror, the third mirror. The location is as is. This one is the first mirror. This one is the second mirror. This one is the third mirror mount. For example, I will disassemble the mirror from the first mirror. Now we can see the mirror was inside. I will use this plier with the kind of tip to remove the locking ring. In the process, we have the description of tool we need: the plier, the cleaning tools, and the glove. And we follow this method or steps to remove the mirrors. Prepare the cleaning tools at the table. And now I use the tool counterclockwise. Remove the ring first. Okay. Now the mirror was removed. For the second mirror, use the same method to remove the lock ring from here. The third mirror was attached to the laser cord, and the lock ring is here. To remove the mirror from first mirror and second mirror, we need to remove the set panel. First, this is the set panel for the first mirror, and this one is for the second mirror. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.